Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to share with you a super fluffy omelette recipe. We need 3 full eggs for this preparation. Break the eggs carefully to collect the egg white and yolk separately. Collect the white in a pot and keep the yolk in another pot. I have collected 3 eggs white in a pot and now add pinch of salt and sugar in the egg white. Now I have to beat it with a hand blender. It takes 2 minutes. Or if you don't have any hand blender, you can use hand whisk. It will take 7 to 8 minutes. Beat the egg white until it becomes foam. Now it's almost done. I have taken 3 eggs yolk in a pot. Now I am adding little bit of salt. Now I am beating it for 1 minute. Now switch on the flame. Today I am using 1 tablespoon of nutralite. If you have unsalted butter or oil, you can use it. Now I am using a spatula brush to spread the butter evenly. Now make sure to lower the flame, otherwise the egg will stick to the pan. Now add the egg yolk in the pan and spread it evenly. Now I am adding the egg white and gently spread it over the egg yolk. I am adding little bit of red chili powder over it for flavor. Now I am covering the pan with a lid serve.